When fans think about the hit TLC reality show 1000 LB Sisters, most conversations tend to center around Tammy and Amy Slayton, whose personal struggles, health battles, and family drama built the foundation of the series. However, by the time the show reached its later seasons, one particular family member stood out for his commitment to health, his humor, and his ability to be a voice of reason amid chaos. That person is Chris Combs, the brother of Tammy and Amy, who quietly became one of the most relatable and inspirational figures on the show. After season 7 ended, many fans started asking a simple but important question: what happened to Chris Combs after the cameras stopped rolling, and where is his journey now? Chris first appeared in earlier seasons not just as comic relief but as someone who truly cared about the well-being of his sisters. He balanced empathy with tough love, often calling out Tammy when her excuses got in the way of progress and encouraging Amy to take accountability for her own health. His personality brought a different kind of energy to the series. Unlike the heavier focus on Tammy's medical emergencies or Amy's turbulent personal life, Chris's journey reflected persistence and gradual change. By season 7, he had undergone bariatric surgery and lost a significant amount of weight. His transformation was dramatic, but the bigger story was how he adjusted to a completely different lifestyle, one that required discipline far beyond just filming for reality television. After the cameras shut down following season 7, reports from fans and social media activity suggested that Chris continued working on himself. He often updated followers about his fitness progress, posting photos that showed him looking healthier, more energetic, and proud of how far he had come. While Tammy's near-death health scares often dominated headlines, Chris was quietly proving that change was possible when someone took the process seriously. Many fans viewed him as a success story of the show, a man who not only inspired viewers but also held his family together when circumstances seemed dire. One of the biggest developments for Chris after season 7 was his commitment to maintaining weight loss. Unlike some reality TV stars who return to old habits once filming ends, Chris seemed determined not to backtrack. Fans noticed his slimmer face, more active lifestyle, and willingness to share glimpses of his meals and workout routines. He also reportedly attended follow-up appointments with his doctors to ensure that his progress remained steady. This consistent commitment became a source of motivation for fans who followed 1000 LB Sisters not just for drama but for genuine stories of transformation. Another aspect of Chris's life that gained attention was his role as a husband and stepfather. His marriage to Brittany Combs provided emotional stability throughout the show, and after season 7, it became clear that their bond had only strengthened. Brittany often appeared in posts supporting Chris, and fans admired how their relationship provided him with both accountability and encouragement. Many viewers felt that his supportive family environment made a significant difference in his ability to stay on track compared to Tammy's and Amy's more turbulent lives. Beyond his personal weight loss story, Chris also started gaining recognition as a fan favorite within the broader 1000 LB Sisters community. Social media buzz frequently highlighted his wit and straightforward honesty. While Amy and Tammy were often criticized for drama, Chris emerged as the steady anchor. After season 7, there were even discussions among fans about whether Chris deserved his own spin-off or more screen time in future installments of the series. While TLC has not confirmed any such projects, the fan demand reflects how deeply Chris resonated with viewers. Financially, Chris also seemed to be in a stronger position after season 7. Though reality TV pays differently depending on contracts, recurring cast members typically earn more with each passing season. Coupled with his rising popularity, Chris gained opportunities for brand endorsements, social media collaborations, and appearances. Some fans speculated that he was exploring business ventures related to health, fitness, or lifestyle products, though these reports remain unconfirmed. Regardless, it was evident that he was capitalizing on his platform in ways that extended beyond just reality television. A significant question that fans kept asking after season 7 was whether Chris would return for season 8 of 1000 LB Sisters. While TLC has remained quiet about the exact details of the next season, Chris has made it clear in interviews and online interactions that he enjoys being part of the series, as long as it highlights authentic stories and health transformations. Given how beloved he has become, it is hard to imagine future seasons without him. However, Chris has also made it clear that his priority is not fame but family and long-term health, suggesting that even if cameras stopped rolling, his progress would continue regardless. Chris's relationship with Tammy and Amy after season 7 also intrigued fans. He has always been protective of his sisters but never shy about holding them accountable. Tammy's dramatic health journey and skin removal surgery drew enormous attention, while Amy's personal life with her new partner Brian raised its own questions. Through it all, Chris seemed to balance support with honesty. He often reminded fans that transformation is not just about losing weight but also about changing mental habits, emotional resilience, and daily choices. After season 7, sources close to the family indicated that Chris remained heavily involved in family matters, often acting as the mediator when conflicts erupted. One underappreciated part of Chris's story after season 7 is how he handled fame. Unlike Tammy, who became a viral sensation with TikTok updates, or Amy, whose personal drama often spilled into public view, Chris approached attention differently. He rarely sought to stir controversy or chase headlines. Instead, he maintained a relatively private but engaging presence online, focusing on health updates and family positivity. This made him more respected by fans who often tire of constant drama. Many felt that Chris represented the true spirit of 1000 LB Sisters, not just chaos and spectacle but genuine human transformation and family love. Speculation about his future also grew stronger after season 7. Some fans predicted that Chris might eventually write a book about his journey, perhaps mixing humor with hard truths about weight loss surgery, lifestyle change, and family struggles. Others suggested that he might start a YouTube channel or podcast to share his experience with a broader audience. While these remain speculative, Chris has all the elements needed to build a brand beyond the show: relatability, resilience, and authenticity. In terms of health, Chris continues to be a standout success from the series. While his exact weight loss numbers remain private, fans estimate that he lost well over 100 pounds since his surgery. He appears more mobile, more confident, and more comfortable in public appearances. This stands as a sharp contrast to the early seasons where he, like his sisters, struggled with mobility and daily activities. His progress demonstrates that while reality television often thrives on sensationalism, it can also document inspiring real-life change. Looking back, Chris Combs's role in 1000 LB Sisters after season 7 underscores the importance of balance. He is not just a supporting character in his sisters' journeys but a leading figure in his own right. His determination to stay committed, his loyalty to family, and his willingness to share his transformation openly make him one of the most admired cast members. Even if future seasons shift focus, Chris's story has already left a lasting impact on fans who see him as proof that steady effort pays off. So what really happened to Chris Combs after season 7? The answer is both simple and inspiring. He kept going. He continued working on his health, strengthening his marriage, supporting his sisters, and proving to fans that lasting change is possible. In a world where reality TV stars often fade into scandal or relapse, Chris has emerged as a rare example of someone using the spotlight not for chaos but for growth. Whether or not 1000 LB Sisters continues for many more seasons, Chris's journey will remain one of the show's most uplifting success stories. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.